anonymously source the internet, access to sources that are not available in the country, automation of a huge number of tasks. All of this is on the list where proxies are used. Hi, do you want to know what proxies actually are and how they work? We'll get the answers with you in this video. When you go to some site on the internet, that site sees your real IP address. In this case, you can use a proxy. The proxy will act as an intermediary between you and the online service. The proxy receives requests from you to send them to the right server, and then sends you back a response. When we use a proxy, we get a different IP from our public, real IP. But why do we need to use proxies? Apparently, because there are tangible benefits to using them. The first benefit of using proxies is the ability to hide your real IP address, which allows you to remain anonymous in the vast expanse of the internet. The second is that proxies allow you to change your geography without having to move to another country. It is especially useful for a marketer or for visiting sites which are inaccessible due to geographical reasons or prohibited by the country's providers. Proxies can be used to control traffic by locking or monitoring certain sites. They are often used in offices to restrict access to certain sites, such as social networks. For parents, this is also relevant. With proxies, you can increase productivity many times over by automating tasks. For example, automatically collect and structure data, managing dozens or thousands of accounts. And this is a small part of the list of tasks where proxies can be used. Overall, the main benefit of a proxy server is that it can provide additional layers of privacy, security, and performance optimization to internet connections. But how do you benefit from proxies? Let's discuss it in the comments.